Our Weather Wise segment continues explaining something that's hard to miss during a storm. Meteorologist Alyssa Triplett explains how lightning is created.
And I'm back today with that Weather Wise question, and today your question is from Donna, and Donna was observing a lot of lightning, but it was only happening within a cloud. So she wants to know, why was it only happening within the cloud? As we often see that cloud to ground action. Now, let's start to describe what happens when we see that lightning that reaches the ground. What we have to see is that we talk about these electrons. We have negatives and positives. Usually within clouds, we see that negative charge hugs the bottom of the cloud. So that's going to allow for those to make this step and draw that positive and the negative to come together, which is then going to lead for that electrical flow to create that return stroke, is what we see as that lightning strike. And it can happen back and forth several times, which is then that repeating of that flash of that lightning. Now, with this process that you see from start to beginning, or from the start to the end, that happens all within just 1 second. So when you see a lot of that lightning, that means that there's a lot of electrons. But actually, this cloud to ground lightning is actually one of the not as common types of lightning that we see. The actual most common lightning is intra-cloud lightning. So that means that we have a lot of those positive charges actually all within this cloud as well. So typically, we're actually talking more about lightning within the cloud, but every so often that lightning that makes it to the ground is actually what's the most dangerous. That's why we warn it. But so answering this question is why you're observing a lot of it is actually that's the most common type of lightning, is intra-cloud lightning. It's that electrical potential. It's just only within the cloud. So when you saw that one storm cloud, you were just seeing a lot of those negative and positive charges within that one cloud.
All right. Well, if you have a question you want to ask the Storm Tracker 19 weather team, go to our website, wxow.com/weatherwise, or send an email to weather@wxow.com.